you take it at its just plain facts, and if you believe what she's saying, that she did communicate that to him, then, and she's compelling. And listen, I heard some of that testimony, and she was sobbing on the stand as she was talking, and that's got to hit you right in the gut. And this is a case, Brooke, it's going to come down to whether or not they think that this was consensual. And I think what you're going to hear Jay Carney, who is an attorney that I know, we both went to BC Law School, and he's very well known in the Boston area, is that there's a difference between rape and regret. And he's going to argue that this was consensual. She was 15. She may not have, I don't even know what to say. She may not have expected it to turn out the way that it did, but he's going to argue that it did not constitute rape under the law, Brooke. But she made for a very compelling witness today.
On the flip side, though, again, this is really, like, I think to Mel's point, that you have the defense saying there was no sex. Obviously, the prosecution saying that there was. The prosecutor said that the two messaged after the incident, and he apparently asked if she was taking a birth control pill. How then do you, on the flip side, I mean, if he's asking that, it makes you wonder, well, would that be because they, there was penetration, therefore he was concerned about pregnancy?
And penetration is a big issue in this
That's why
case. I mean,
that.
he says, of course, there was no penetration, but why this strange discussion? Why does he say that he put a condom on? And why, why would it come up at all? I think, and getting back to the point also that was raised by Mel, this is a he said, she said situation, but what I'm seeing described is something I've seen many times in courtrooms as a prosecutor. Sometimes when a woman has a gun to her head, the girl, the 15-year-old girl says, I was looking up at the ceiling, not knowing what to do, not knowing how to communicate more my no. She said she had said no to him. And in the end, the prosecutor is going to say, men know when no is being said to them. And she communicated it, he ignored it, and he penetrated her. That's rape under New Hampshire law.
Mel, what about, in addition to this conversation about, condoms and birth control pills, we know prosecutors are spending a lot of time asking about how she, spoke with him after this happened. Tell me why that's important.
Well, there's a couple things that are important about this. One is, first of all, it's not a stranger rape. That's a big difference. It's an acquaintance rape, which is what the majority of rapes are. And so it is.
But why does that matter in a courtroom?
Why it matters is because if you have a gun to your head, you're not consenting, even if you're staring at the ceiling, not saying anything. She said in court today that she did freeze, that she didn't kick, that she didn't do anything physically to push him off because she didn't know what to do. Now, that could weigh heavily in the minds of this jury. Now, let's also keep in mind something I haven't heard anyone talk about. The jury, the 14 members, the 12 and the 2 alternates, 11 of them are men. So if a female prosecutor stands up and tries to tell 11 guys, come on, you know the difference between when she says that she's consenting and when she doesn't, you're also going to have men that may have had the experience where they've gotten mixed signals or where they have had a woman regret hooking up with you. Now, if Jay Carney, the defense attorney, continues to go forward and say there was no sex, and there was no penetration in this case, then you've got the jury looking at physical facts. I think the conversation is very important for both sides, frankly, because if they're communicating back and forth and she goes into this incident by texting him and messaging him and saying, I'll meet you as long as it's our little secret, and the defense can argue that what happened in the aftermath is that the students found out about it, there was gossip about it, and that's when she then reported it. Now you've got a case building that...
with all due respect to my friend Mel, this thing about women being more sympathetic to other women is a myth. A lot of times women are more critical of women. So in fact, it may be a good thing for the prosecution
to have all
that
these
there are
men
men,
sitting in the jury
because
box.
they're going to understand. They know when a woman says no, and especially when a 15-year-old says no. They're going to know that an 18-year-old or a 17-year-old knows that he's picked a very young girl who doesn't have the skills, and they have to be more careful about what they're doing. So I think this could, in the end, help the prosecution, the number of men on the jury.